Tonight, a look at court documents just filed by the city of Bedford against university hospitals as a last-ditch effort to keep the local hospital open. It's been a long road, and Emma Henderson explains how we got here and what could be next.
We're not closing. The hospital's vital to this area, and the emergency department's necessary out here. And we're not going to close you. We're not going to close you. And oh, we're closing you.
This is how Bedford Heights Mayor Stan Kochi says conversations have gone with the university hospital system, saying they were given less than a month of formal notice before the closure of Bedford Hospital. So the restraining order the city filed is their last attempt to keep it open.
They had to know this was coming for a long time and didn't give us any advance warning, even though we met monthly with the hospital people.
A press release was sent on July 14th announcing the closure, saying they had to realign services because of staffing shortages. But, quote, UH will also invest in new wellness programs and services at the UH Bedford and UH Richmond Medical Center campuses to serve these surrounding communities based on communities' needs, end quote. Specifically citing they will speak with the mayor of Bedford and Richmond Heights, which is going through the same process. Here is what Dr. Paul Hinchy had to say to our Monica Robbins when first announced.
None of our employees are going to lose their jobs. Every single one of them is critical to the system.
But that's not good enough for Bedford's mayor, who says he's worried about emergency response times as people are transported outside of Bedford, saying the community impacted is largely reliant on Medicare or Medicaid, they're African American or elderly, which drives the decision to seek an injunction and keep the hospital open.
A lot of people use this hospital. Between here and northern Akron, there's no other hospital.
We dropped by the hospital this evening. The parking lots were largely cleared out, and I also saw an employee heading in for her final shift in the Bedford building. It was clearly an emotional moment for both her and her coworkers, who will now be spread out across the UH system unless something happens with this court filing. Laura?
We'll just have to see what happens next in all of this. Emma, thanks.